we are working to prepare for the planned visit of our Prime Minister. It will surely be a very memorable visit. If I recall right, it would be his first visit outside India since the coronavirus pandemic, and his second as Prime Minister to Bangladesh. Our relations actually transcend even our strategic partnership, and I believe that our bonding is central to the realization of a dream of a peaceful, prosperous, and progressive South Asia. It is in pursuit of this vision that both sides have made remarkable progress in our relationship, especially since Prime Minister Narendra Modi's assumption of office in May 2014. The significance of our ties with Bangladesh lies in your centrality, Excellency, for our neighborhood first policy and your growing relevance for our Act East policy. We see Bangladesh as a key neighbor and a valued partner, not only in South Asia, but also in the broader Indo-Pacific region. Every outcome and achievement in our relationship resonates through this region. It is no secret that we cite it to others as an example for emulation. And that is why we are working so hard to expand our relationship in all dimensions, ranging from security, trade, transport and connectivity, culture, people-to-people ties, energy, joint development of our shared resources, and defense. Our comfort levels are now so high that we have shown that there is no issue that we cannot discuss and resolve through amicable dialogue. Even the pandemic has actually provided an opportunity to reaffirm our friendship. Bangladesh is the largest recipient of Made in India vaccines. Also among the friendship, our largest gift of vaccines of 2 million, which is really appropriate that it is to Bangladesh. Our recent activities go beyond consultations and gestures, however important they might be. We have made practical progress on the ground, conducting a trial run of container cargo through Chattogram port to Agartala, adding 2 new protocol routes to inland waterways connecting Tripura to your national waterways, handing over 10 BG locomotives, commencing movement of container and parcel trains, and forming a JV in the energy sector. These are but some recent examples.